Welcome to the Best Meat Bakery in The Hague. It was founded by Wang and her friend in 2019. This website is created for the Digital Marketing Tools course at the Hague University of Applied Science by Wang Yufan. This company is not related to any entity business. The design adopts the design principle of proportion and mobility. Each interface starts with a complete big picture, and then the information gradually details from the introduction of the store to the product. Now I will show you my website. The first thing to see is our trademark. In the first interface, you will see our slogan and the image of this cake store want to delivery. If you look down, you will see a brief introduction to the bakery, including its founder and chef. On the third page, we show our products. Products are mainly divided into three categories: classic, low sugar, and season limited. The classic one is a cream cake that most people like, and it's presented in exquisite style. The low-sugar cake is made of thin, low-sugar pancake instead of chiffon cake. Seasonal limit is based on the festival and the current season using different ingredient or design patterns. In this interface, you only need to fill in this personal information to order your cake, saving your time of the waiting process. You can choose your preferred cake and the different cake size with different price. At the end of the website, you can see the address and the contact information of our store. Overall, welcome to our bakery Best Meat.